All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Arizona, very near Tucson, just outside the Saguaro National Park. I am at a campground called Gilbert Ray. Beautiful. And today I want to do a ride around the area. It's actually an area called Tucson Mountain Park. And I'm going to ride up a mountain and back down, and then I'm going to do a loop, and it's so beautiful. It's like a forest of saguaro cactus as far as the eye can see. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. So I've driven up and over this mountain maybe 2 or 3 times, and it is a bike route, although there are no bike lanes or very, very little shoulder, but it also has very little traffic. And you can see the road surface here is much smoother than any other road that I'm going to be on today. Yeah, a lot of climbing here. I don't know if you can see the road up above. That car just came down, which would make it a lot easier to see where the road is. But it's a pretty steep climb. And I've already been climbing for a while. Yeah, I'm still climbing. There's a number of viewpoints you can pull over and stop and take photos. But yeah, I got a ways to go still on this climb, but you can already see it's quite an amazing view. Yeah, and we need to get to the top of where that little saddle is in the mountain. I'm really having to put it in a low gear. It's pretty steep, but yeah, nice road, huh? Okay, we're at the top of the climb, and we're gonna go down a little bit here. Before I turn it around, just so you can see this great view. There's a scenic viewpoint here. Thank you. Appreciate it. These cars waiting for me. But that's Tucson off in the distance. It's kind of breezy out here, and sometimes the winds will clear the air, and sometimes they'll kick up a lot of the dirt and sand and make visibility less clear. Wow, that was pretty exciting coming down the mountain. So that was Tucson Mountain, and this area is Tucson Mountain Park. And we have turned off of Gates Pass onto Kinney Road. And you can see the road surface has deteriorated quite a bit. Oh, it was so nice having a smooth road surface coming down that mountain. All right, yeah, so I'm on my way to the Saguaro National Park. We're gonna cycle in there a little bit, and then I'm going to take the Mc Cain Loop. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm hoping to fly the drone a little bit, and just a very, very special place. Just beautiful, right? So here we are, the Saguaro National Park. And this park is, I think, pretty unusual. It's split up into two sections, and the large city of Tucson is right in the middle. I was in Tucson maybe 2 months ago, visiting friends, cycling, and I did a group ride with the Tucson recumbent cycling group, and we cycled on the other section of the Saguaro National Park. It was absolutely fantastic, and as you can see, the road surface in the park is very smooth. Outside of the park, it is terrible. It's quite uncomfortable. I'm lucky that I have full suspension. It would be very difficult to ride without it on these roads. But we're gonna ride in this park just a little bit before I go and do the Mc Cain Loop, which I want to do more towards sunset. Look at this, isn't this amazing? All these saguaros, and they're protected. So the whole way into the park was downhill, and now I'm headed back to the entrance. But just look at this place. Is this not gorgeous? magnificent ride today. I'm back at Gilbert Ray Campground. And to anyone thinking of coming to this area, I highly recommend this campground. It's just a few miles from the Saguaro National Park. It's about 12 miles to Tucson, and it's just gorgeous. They do have a first come, first served area, but I think reservations are recommended. The sites are $20. They have electricity, but no sewer or water. There are sewer dumps and fresh water spigots when you first come in, so you can dump your tanks, fill up your freshwater tank, and before you come in. But the sites are really nicely spaced, and I mean, there's just nothing around here, so it's really quiet. A lot of coyotes, scorpion. I didn't see the rattlesnake, but my neighbors did. And of course, you're just right here in the middle of this kind of a saguaro forest. So I've got just a couple more days here, and then I'm going to push on. I'm not entirely sure where I'm going next. I'm making my way to Las Vegas for a college reunion, and I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to get there. And I've got about 10 days, and Las Vegas really isn't very far from here. So we'll see what kind of trouble I can get myself into. But yeah, let me know what you think about this area and this video. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.